At Petals, we believe the messier the play, the deeper the learning. Welcome to Messy Play Day, where every splash, squish, and giggle is actually building your child's future. Messy play isn't random fun, it's sensory learning. When children touch, squeeze, pour, and splash, they are building fine motor skills, stimulating brain connections, and learning to express emotions. At Petals, each messy zone is carefully designed to spark curiosity and develop a different set of skills. Let's explore. Finger painting improves hand strength, coordination, and early creativity. Foam play builds tactile awareness and problem solving as children hide, find, and imagine. In the mud kitchen, children role play, share, and practice teamwork, essential for social and emotional growth. Water play introduces basic science, cause and effect, while strengthening gross motor skills. Beans, oats, and gel beads teach sorting, counting, and fine motor precision, disguised as treasure hunts. Abstract art stations spark imagination and let children explore color, texture, and patterns without boundaries. At Petals, fun and safety go hand in hand. All paints and materials are non-toxic, fully supervised, and cleanup is part of the learning. Messy play builds more than skills. It builds laughter, friendships, and the confidence to explore the world. Because at Petals, play is never just play. It's the foundation of joyful learning. Discover a preschool where curiosity shines brightest. Visit petalspreschool.com to join the messy magic.